Hey y'all, if you look close, in one of the stills, there's Jerry Michalek emptying garbage at the range. Can you believe it? Jerry Michalek holds hundreds of world records, shooting records. He's on every channel, on all the sporting channels on TV, and yet he's still not so big that he won't come empty range garbage. Heck of a guy. Alrighty. Enjoy the little clips of just the last week or so of me and my wife out and about. This is what range day looks like. This is what we're building here. Target stands. Already got a whole bunch of them built and put away over there. Gotta be a long day. We're not even halfway done. If you ever watch Jerry Michalek's videos, these two buildings, that's what he does a lot of his YouTube videos in. And he shoots his commercials for Dylan in there too. I've actually watched a Dylan commercial. I watched them shoot a Dylan commercial. That was pretty cool. Every time I come to Home Depot, I kind of daydream about this little house here. My wife and I are getting older, and it's getting a lot harder to take care of all that land. And thought about that land that I bought across the street from my house. We've thought about building a small house like this and selling our big house and most of the land, so it would leave us with 2 acres and a little house. And this is highly livable. We don't need much space, her and I. We lived in an 18-wheeler for 20 years with a dog. You had a nice big screened in front porch on this. That's a lot of room. So this one that we're looking at is 13,000. Oh, I don't even want to know. That's a huge bedroom. Bigger than the bedroom I have now. Get a corner look. So it's 16, it's 20 feet long, 20 by 16, 20, 24, 24. So this room up here, this bedroom, is 24 by 20. That's not good. It's here, it's here, it's here. Taryl Fixes All sent me 2 mugs. One for me, one for my wife, since we are his number 1 and number 2 fans. Sent us a couple of stickers, a couple of koozies. There's your dinner. And my wife, let's have a look at this t-shirt. Oh, damn it. Just a second. Hang in there. What happened? Why won't we focus? Huh. Wasn't that something? I have no idea why they will not focus. I'm going to shut this off and turn it back on. No idea what that was all about. There we go. Taryl fixes all. There's your dinner. Well, I'll make sure my wife wears this at her next wet t-shirt contest. Thank you, Taryl Fixes All, and Junior, and Slippers. We sure do enjoy your videos. They're our Sunday. We don't do nothing till we have our coffee and our Sunday morning Taryl Fixes All video. Oh, thank you very much. Speaking of coffee, I'm fixing to make me a cup. Thanks again.